When you travel, my friends, prescriptions should always be carried in your carry-on with your person, in your backpack, in your purse, in their original bottles. With nowadays them checking everything and being super conscious, they can hold you up or prevent you from flying or take away your meds depending upon where you are, what country you are, what security you get. So carry your prescriptions in their original containers. I'm going on a trip and I'm healthy. I don't need to bring anything. Well, my friends, these are a few of the items, besides Visine, I don't see that here, that you should be bringing with you when you're traveling. Now, again, don't worry about it. There's a drugstore on every single corner in most places that you're at. But if you're on the airplane, if you're in the hotel room, you don't want to go out, you start feeling a little dry throat on the plane, consider having these items with you. The cough drops hopefully will stop any cough. It may also give you a little bit of comfort having the flavor, something in your mouth, something coating the throat. There's a lot of products out today for the immune system. A zinc and a vitamin C is a great help for your immune system to help possibly prevent a slight cold. So you might want to boost the system by taking some of these when you're traveling. Have one before, have one during, have one after. Read the instructions, only do what it says or less. Oh my goodness, we all get those headaches, we all get those sore pains, sore joints, and if you're not listening to some of my travel recommendations, you may be lifting too much and carrying too much, or twist or do something, or who hasn't walked 3 miles in an airport before? Acetaminophen and ibuprofen are 2 great items to consider anytime you're traveling. That way you don't have to go to a drugstore to get a little bit of relief. Travelese. Who out there has motion sickness? Always be prepared. You don't know when that car ride is going to be a little bit tossy-turvy and curvy on those roads, or if you're up in the plane and you don't feel well, you start feeling a little dizzy. The motion sickness relief, these are wonderful. They're inexpensive and they act very fast as you chew them, and they're very quick to work. Well, most of us don't have the problem, but you might want to consider some Pepto-Bismol, some anti-diarrheal medicine, because you never know what your stomach's going to do with what kind of food that you're eating. And we break a nail, we get a cut, we get something. If we just have 1 or 2 Band-Aids with us and maybe a tube of Neosporin. Now, this is a cream. This does need to go in your clear quart-size bag if you're flying. But again, a great idea to keep on you. And I'm sure there's lots of other ideas out there. So please hit that comment button. Tell me what you can't live without, what I left out besides Visine, to have with you when you travel.